guys, it's Saturday in the Caribbean, in Dominica, the nature isle of the Caribbean, and I'm with yes, and we are on our way to an adventure. Listen, I'm like, listen, when you are in Dominica, you cannot stay in your house. So we pulled up and I'm like, girl, I'm gonna show you the south of the island. The south of the island is one of my favorite parts in the island because, well, it's the south, it's beautiful, the views are absolutely amazing, the air is fresh. There's this amazing restaurant that I got featured on Eater magazine. It's called Chez Wen Cuisine, and we're gonna go and eat there, and we're gonna go to the beach, and we're gonna go like just explore the south, and it's just gonna be an amazing time. So there are two challenges that we have today: the heat, because listen, this heat is I didn't put any makeup, and you see how my skin is glistening. Like, the Caribbean looks good on me, you see, but she's like naturally beautiful obviously also. So it's like we want to be able to survive this heat today, and then we're just gonna show you around as we are exploring the south on this beautiful day in Dominica. So let's go. I'm gonna like when I'm landing in new places, like when you see how the plane is landing, you can actually see it gives you a taste of what the destination is going to be like, right? Yeah. Like if I'm landing in Toronto, I would say like city and the lights and everything. In New York City, same thing. But in Dominica, it's just like pure green, and we're like, wow, Eden, this is you. Or Eden.
The Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden, yeah. All right, guys, we have arrived at the first beach. So we're gonna be doing beach hopping. So I'm gonna take her to one of the beaches I love, and obviously taking you all. Welcome to Champagne Beach, one of Dominica's most unique natural wonders. This stunning beach gets its name from the tiny volcanic gas bubbles that rise from the seafloor, creating the illusion of swimming in a glass of champagne. Champagne Beach is located within the protected marine reserve, and it is a paradise if you love snorkeling or diving and seeing vibrant marine life like coral reefs, tropical fishes, and even the occasional sea turtle. Whether you are exploring the underwater world, soaking up the sun on the rocky shore, or kayaking along the coast, this hidden gem is a must visit for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Guys, we are at Champagne Beach. So look at how beautiful it is. Are you really gonna read? Oh, it's a prop. My Dominican. It's a prop. And she's gonna tell me at the end what this book is about. So guys, I wanted to walk on the beach with my bare feet, but I forgot that it's a black sand beach, and the black sand actually absorbs heat. So nope, we put in back these sandals for us to go. And look at what she's doing, already keeping busy. The queen of hula hoop. So good to be here, like sun-kissed. The water, my feet, oh my god, look at splash. The water in my feet feels so good. Yeah, being in Dominica is so therapeutic in so many ways. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. 100%, 1000% recommend. Alright guys, we are in the beautiful scenic village of Soufriere. This is one of my favorite villages in Dominica because the views are just so gorgeous. The beaches, and I love going to Bubble Beach. So now I'm gonna go and take a dip at Bubble Beach because I've been wanting to get in the water. So let's go. My friend is roller skating all the way over there, so I'm just gonna go to the beach, and she's gonna have to meet me there because listen, I need to get in that water. Guys, I took a first dip. I'm gonna go and take another dip, but I'm also gonna go in the hot spring part, like the bubble spa part of the beach. It's like a small spa that is contained with it's contained because that area has like more bubbles there. So I want to go there and get that little bubble warm. And it's also warmer. It's almost like if you were going to the hot spring, the sulfur spring, but not as hot, but like hot like that, right? So I'm gonna go there, dip a little bit there, but first I want to have my tea before I have lunch. I'm probably gonna have lunch in like half an hour to 45 minutes, so I'm having this tea now, and then I'm gonna go in the bubbles. Bubble Beach is another one of Dominica's most unique beaches. Located in Scotts Head in the south of the island, Bubble Beach is where nature spa meets the sea. This unique beach is famous for its warm volcanic bubbles that rise through, creating a natural jacuzzi right in front of you. I absolutely love being there, soaking in the natural benefits of being in a natural spa like here in Dominica. This is a perfect beach for those looking into natural wellness experiences in one of Dominica's most scenic coastal escapes. No visit to the south of the island could ever be complete without stopping at Chez Wen Cuisine, a locally owned restaurant that offers one of the best seaside lunch and dining experiences I've had on island. From farm to table experiences to sea to table experiences, they have it all. You definitely need to try out their food for lunch or dinner. Ended our adventure at one of Dominica's most iconic viewpoints where the Caribbean Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean. You can't see it clearly at night, but hopefully I can go back in the day and show you what it looks like. If you like this vlog, make sure you give it a thumbs up, drop a comment to let me know what you think, and subscribe for more Dominica adventures.